She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man.
Before I try this hair mask out, I just want to show you guys what my hair is looking like under this bonnet. Oh my gosh, it has been way too long since I did anything about this hair. Honestly, this past week and a half I've been really lazy with my hair. I refreshed it, which was again adding more product to my hair, and that is one of the reasons why I want to do this clay mask, because it's supposed to be a detox for your hair. You know how people do like detoxes for their body? This is a hair detox. I definitely think it can use it so that it will better absorb products and basically just giving my hair like a clean slate.
So to start off, all you're going to need is apple cider vinegar, extra virgin olive oil or olive oil, whichever, and the Indian healing clay. Now I'm pouring the Indian healing clay into a plastic container. It's very important that it's plastic. And then I'm taking the apple cider vinegar and making it into a nice consistency. I'm not taking any measurements because I really don't feel like there's going to be a set number for anybody. If you have a different length of hair, you're going to need a different amount of products. Feel free to add more apple cider vinegar as you need it. You don't want to use any type of metals because that can take away from the effectiveness of this clay mask. So as you can see, I'm using a plastic container and I'm using a plastic spoon. Now I'm going to add just a little bit of olive oil so it's not so drying. And as you can see, I'm going for kind of a deep conditioner consistency. I don't want it to be too watery, but also not too thick that it won't go through my hair. This is the consistency that I'm going for.
I'm starting off on week-old hair. I did not shampoo or anything like that. I just got my hair wet so that it can better absorb this detox mask I got brewing over here. This is what it's looking like. I got it to a deep conditioner type of consistency, which is exactly what I want. And we're just gonna pray that I put enough for my hair, because I think I did, but you never know. I'm just gonna add some more water. So I'm gonna do a face mask, but I made a little separate face mask thing because I put olive oil in the first one and I don't want to put olive oil on my face, you feel me? So I'm just gonna be using this and applying it to my face, because this mask works wonders as well for making your skin look great. It's really just an all-around great thing.